Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Wells Fargo for estimated tax payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Wells Fargo for estimated tax payments, begin by navigating to the Wells Fargo website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign On button at the top right corner. Click the Sign On button to proceed to the login page. Enter your Wells Fargo username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field below. After entering your credentials, click the Sign On button to access your account. Once logged in, find the Transfers or Payments section in the main menu. Look for the option that refers to tax payments or estimated payments. Click on the Tax Payments option to continue. Review the instructions provided on the Tax Payments page. If necessary, select the type of payment you wish to make. Enter the required information, including the payment amount and any tax identification details. Ensure all information is accurate before proceeding. Once verified, click on the Continue or Submit button. Review the payment summary to confirm the details. If everything looks correct, finalize the payment by clicking the appropriate button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been processed. Keep this confirmation for your records. To log out, navigate to the top right corner and select the Log Off option. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.